Hey, what's happening, everybody? Super excited about this Textbot.Ai. This thing is bringing the payments in non-stop $100 bills hitting the account, non-stop $100 Bitcoin payments hitting the wallet. This thing is amazing, guys. Let me take you in to show you a little proof. I love doing this, showing you guys proof of life, proof of payments, because that's what it's all about, man. You got to be able to prove some of the stuff that you're saying. So right now we're in my Ava. This is my account. You see over here, you'll see my picture. That is me. I am excited about this thing, guys, and as we move forward, you're going to get excited too. Now, imagine being able to sit back, don't do any work, don't have to talk to one person and make money all day long. You don't have to talk to anybody because the artificial intelligence called Ava is handling that for you. Ava, AVA, stands for Automated Virtual Assistant, and she is handling all of my talking. She's handling all of my introduction to my business, as well as closing all of my sales. I don't have to do anything. I'm just sitting back. Every time I turn around, something is telling me, my email is hitting, telling me that I have a payment, and I'm going to show that to you guys shortly. Now, this is my front office. This shows me everything, guys. Now, if you look right here, if I want to send somebody out my link, I have it right here. If I want to send them out the Ava phone number, I have it right there. They call the number. Ava picks up. She drops the information on them, get them going, telling them the next steps. She gets them sign up, close, and I get paid $100 over and over. Now, let's take a look at a couple of things, man. This is what is super exciting about this. So if you look at this, these are conversations that Ava has going on for me. Look. These are live conversations between Ava and my prospects. I am not talking to them. I am not saying anything to them. She is doing all of the talking for me. I am saying absolutely nothing. Look, conversation after conversation, right? She's talking to them, introducing them to my opportunity, which is the Automated Virtual Assistant, and she's closing my sales for me. The only thing I am doing, guys, is collecting these payments. That is what I'm talking about. Conversation after conversation going on between Ava and my people. Are you seeing this, man? This is exciting. Look, more conversations. I'm not talking to anybody, guys. This is automation at its best, man. For 100 bucks, 110 to be exact, 100 goes to your sponsor, $10 buys your ad credits, your text credits. This thing is amazing. Look. I'm not talking to anybody, guys. I haven't said one word to any of these people, right? Except for when they join, we're saying, welcome to the team. Look at here, man. There's study coming in. The payments are study coming in. Look at the conversations. I'm not talking to these people, right? Because why? I have an automated virtual assistant called Ava that's handling all of my business for me. That is what I'm talking about. Let's take a look at a couple more things, guys. Let's look at over here. When people are getting ready to come into my business, they're also introduced to my upfront business, right? I have my own business that I've added to Ava, where she's not only introducing them to the artificial intelligence, to Textbot.ai, but also to my upfront business. Right now, I'm promoting Digital Daily Club, right? The Daily Digital Club. And she's promoting that for me also, so I'm receiving payments for both. If they decide they want to jump into Daily Digital, it's right there for them, guys. She's promoting all my businesses for me right in the back office of this Textbot.ai. And I don't have to talk to anybody, right? The only thing I have to do, guys, is set up my keywords, right? I'll throw a couple of keywords in there like info, please, or interested. And whenever one of those keywords are triggered, Ava goes into work, right? She goes to work. The minute they text that word, she pops right in there and start doing the job for me. So as I set up my keywords, hey, Ava has me covered, guys. She has me covered. I don't have to do anything, right? She picked up my leads for me. Look at my leads. When my leads come in, she has the leads here available to me. All I have to do if I want to see what they're talking about is like I'll click right here on the eye. It'll open up and show me what was happening with my man James and Ava as they continue to talk. And you'll see that I'm going to show you. This is one of my prospects, James. I'm going to show you something in a second in regard to James. It's going to be super exciting, guys, for me. This is really, really good. So Ava is doing all of the work for me. Now, if you look right here on my front page, guess what it says? Important. You have pending payments to confirm. That means that I have more payments that came in that I need to confirm. So what happens is when someone joins, now I won't know because Ava's handling this. I'll just receive an email. So let me check my email because it chimed. Oh man, look what it says. Textbot.AI just received another payment. Let's look. Let's take a look at it, guys. This is exciting for me. You got money headed your way. Okay, look at here, guys. You got money headed your way. Congratulations, Kaschmiere. James Porsche has indicated that they have sent their $100 setup fee to you via what? Bitcoin. I just received a Bitcoin payment, guys. Let's keep going. What else I got? I got more payments that came in. What is this? Another Bitcoin payment that came in, guys. Do you see the payments are non-stop? What is this? Here's a Cash App payment that came in. Are you seeing these payments? I have not talked to anybody. I am showing you this stuff live. So everybody, you can't say, oh, no, it's not happening. No, here it goes. Everything is live time. You're seeing payments that has been rolling in. More Cash App payments, right? Confirmed payments. That, my friend, is all that I do all day, confirm payments. I'm about to confirm one live for you, so you'll see exactly how it is that we do what we do. I just clicked on confirm payment. Oh, click on received. Bam, payment received. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. This is super simple, right? And so now my chat is going on with Ava and my prospects. You look at here, and if look right now, Ava's talking to them. If I want to jump in and I want to talk to my prospect, bam, I could click over and Ava will let me talk to my prospects as well as she's talking to them. Do you see this automation here? This thing is amazing, guys. We're making money hand over fist, and guess what? We don't have to talk to nobody. We don't have to do anything. If you look right here to show you how many of us over here doing this, right now our team is up to 20,410 people. If you are not one of those 20,410, you are missing out on free easy money just because it costs 110 bucks. Do not forsake this opportunity to get this money over here in Textbot.AI. Ava, the automated virtual assistant, is doing all of the work for you. You don't have to do anything except come over here, confirm payments. You can either send a person your link, that's cool, that'll bring them directly in. Me, I like sending them to Ava, so I copy the phone number right here. As you see my number, I copy that number, I send it to them, and I let them come on in, guys. I let them in, and man, this is amazing. Ava does all of the work. I collect the payments. What's better than that? This is good for somebody that do not like talking to people. This is somebody that, you know, this is good for people that do not like promoting and talking to folks and trying to do convincing and selling. Guys, this thing moves itself, and it has the artificial intelligence that's doing the work for you named Ava. So you have nothing to do but throw a couple posts on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, right, Snapchat, whatever. And when they click on that phone number and they go over and they talk to Ava, she is closing the sales for you, guys. She's closing it for you. So you don't have anything to do but kick back and get paid. So once again, I want to welcome you guys over here to Textbot.AI. Pay that 110, get in this game, and do just like we're doing, guys. We're clearing great payments every day. Do not sacrifice at this time being able to take possession of this money. We know that a lot is going on with COVID-19. A lot of people are sheltered in place. And we also know for those that's not, jobs are very scarce right now, right? Companies have packed up and left. So this is a way for you to supplement your income or create an income for yourself by simply joining what's new, what's here, what's getting ready to take over, which is artificial intelligence called AI, and our bot is called Ava, and she is doing the work. I just showed it to you in live time, right? I'll take you back again so you can see the emails that's coming in that's saying that you have money, right? You have money. You see it coming in. It's telling us that we've just got paid. paid, guys. This is exciting, right? So you want to get over here, take advantage, come grab some of this Bitcoin with me, come grab some of this Cash App, and start changing your life financially. So this is your man Kaschmiere Rich. I would like to welcome you in advance to Textbot.AI. Hit me back for the information, or what you can do is you can just simply go down below and dial the number in this presentation and get over there to Ava so she can start setting you up to change your financial situation. Kaschmiere Rich, Chicago. You guys have a great day. Take care.